RC4 Wireless is excited to announce that Commander 2.0 works both on Mac and PC. All you need to do is go to RC4's website, download the most current version of Commander, and you're going to want to contact RC4 to get your ID files for Commander. You don't have to have your ID files installed in Commander, but it does make life easier in the long run. After you've installed your software, you want to make sure that you plug your dongle into your computer before opening Commander for the first time. That way, say you have a PC, it can reach out and make sure that you have the most current drivers for your dongle. If Windows is having a hard time finding the correct drivers, you can always go to RC4's website to this link here and download the drivers from there.